Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's tutorial we are tying this turban on my head guys. So guys, come closer with your material and let's do this together. Okay, the material we are needing for this head wrap is lycra material. That is a stretchable material, a material that you can stretch. Okay, that's a stretchable material, so we need it. You need your elastic band and you need your office pin. So when you have your stretchable material, just play from the back of your head, make one part very short and the other part very long. That's longer than the other. Okay, very long. Okay, so the way it is being shown to you on this video, just follow the steps and you're going to achieve this beautiful turban. Okay, I have taken it from back to the front and I have given it a knot. So I'm working with the longer part by just taking it bit by bit and using my elastic band to grab it. So I have to do what I have to do. That's why I'm using this yellow for this material. On a norms, you should use the color that will blend with your material. But as at when this video is being done, I don't have the color that matches this material. That was why I just go for this color, but take notes please. So you're taking this longer part bit by bit, like small portion, and you're using elastic band to firm it up. Okay, so when you are done with it, you're going to make like four. I made four, so sideways, and the excess I'm taking it to the back to keep it there. Okay, so when I'm done with securing the excess, so I go with for the shorter part. I'll just use it to make, if you have longer one in the other side too, you can make like two, three. Okay, but here I can only make one with it, and the excess I'll take it sideways and secure it. Okay guys, so the next step is just to dip your hand into the hole of those portions and draw it out. Okay, just pull them out. So guys, if you have watched to this length and you haven't hit the like button, kindly hit the like button, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to join this community by clicking on the subscribe button. It is totally free. Just support this page by subscribing to this page. Okay guys, so let's continue. I'm still stretching out and stretching out. Once I'm done with this stretching out, we're going to be moving to the next stage, and that's going to be using of our office pen. So if we notice, you see that they are a bit far away from each other, so I want them to come together. That is where I'll be picking two together and I'll be using my office pin to firm them up together, and it's going to be full. Yeah, so that is just the trick in achieving this simple turban styles guys. So take note, you're going to use the color of your fabric for the elastic band, and you're going to take your time to make the portion and stretch them out to make it look exactly like this. You need something to cover the rubber band at the center to make it look beautiful, and that is when I make use of my branch. So guys, I'm just securing with the office pin, and when I'm done with that, I'm actually good to go guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and do share to more people. All right guys, here is the outcome guys. What do you feel? Leave your comment below in the comment section, and I'll be seeing you right there. Thanks for stopping by. Returning viewers, you guys are awesome. And if you're coming across this face, you are loved. Bye.